Okay, check this out. I've noticed something. So watch this. I'm trying to make a left turn in oncoming traffic. Okay, lots of people. No way I can make this left turn. Let me do it again. Okay, so I'm trying to make a left turn here. See? And I might have just enough room to go. Look, that guy just slowed down. He just slowed down so I could go. Where I'm from, if you're trying to turn against traffic, they speed up. Today, we're finding a waterfall. But this is no ordinary waterfall. This waterfall, I have no idea where it is, except for one TikTok, which may or may not show me the way. By the way, I'm still looking for a whale. I've been looking for a whale for about 8 episodes now. It's important that you know that I have not given up. Thank you. Massive hole in the ground. There it is. That's where we're going. I think. Is that? I'm gonna keep going. Okay, somehow I missed my turn. I'm gonna take a gamble on this road. This road feels right. I bet you anything this is the right road. That sign just said rough road ahead. They don't know what me and my minivan are capable of. I smell burning. It's gotta be just the dust, right? It's strangely cold today. It looks like a warm, sunny day, but it's not. I think fall is coming. We're off. He's right there. I've been trying to track down this bird. I saw him once. And he's back. Oh my God, I don't think I can get my telephoto out. Can I? And now everyone is here. Okay, great. Where did he go? They're here, and then I get my camera out, and then they're gone. He did the same thing the last one did. He sat really close to me. I scrambled to get my camera together, and then he's completely gone. It's like he's taunting me. I think he's a Stellar's jay. Kinda rare, medium rare, I think. I'm gonna try and wait him out. So I'm gonna hide. Making good progress. This your job?
No, just doing it for fun.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm just staying here. Tree came down last night, so I figured I'd help out.
No way, that's
cool. I got the time and the tools, so.
How long has it taken you to do this much so far?
I don't know, maybe an hour.
Okay, well,
yeah, not too bad.
Keep it up, buddy.
Thanks.
That is the ocean. There are plenty of waterfalls. Why this one in particular? It's in like a canyon surrounded with like green algae. I saw a picture and I have to go. This is no ordinary waterfall, but it's also no ordinary find. The only thing I'm going with is you turn left, then you cross one stream, and then you don't cross the next stream. Instead, you walk up it. So, I'm keeping an eye out for streams. This seems fairly simple, but on this island, surprises are inevitable. Tide pools. Let's see if there's any creatures inside. Does this count as a creek? This is the first water I found, and the TikTok lady said you don't go up the first water, you go up the second water. I think this is the first water. What do I do now? I'm gonna have to scale this rock face. I can't do this with the tripod. Oh. Forward! It looks easier now. That might have been the one big thing. I might need to find another route. Let's go up this way. Well, this isn't gonna work either. Do you think I passed it? I don't think they did this. I don't think I'm supposed to do this. I'm gonna turn around. You remember the creek I thought was the first creek? It may be the second creek. How did I get up here? How did I do this? Literally nothing. Well, it's really pretty up here, but then it just, that would be awesome. Thank you.
I don't know if the tide's coming in.
Well, that's another thing. I think it might be coming in. I didn't check. That was very kind of her to hold my camera for me. This is the spot where I have to time it really well, or me and my camera get soaked. I'm gonna wait. Okay, that I should have gone. And go! Oh, okay, I made it. Oh, that could have been me. Okay, yep, let's go. Oh. Okay, we're back here. This has to be it. Goodbye, beach. We're going into the forest now. It's already so much colder. Oh, it feels good. Oh my God, there it is. It's like right by the water. Whoa, okay, crazy. was shockingly cold. I've never gotten brain freeze from a waterfall before. I've been needing to detangle my hair, so I thought I'd take the opportunity. I hope you enjoyed today's exciting adventure, and I'll see you tomorrow. You gotta hand it to him. He did try his best. Guys, this is crazy. I just met my first fan in the wild.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Mur.
Mur.
Nice to meet you.
And you've been watching since like 200 subscribers?
Yes,
That's crazy. Okay,
big fan here.
let's go. Okay, well, it was good to meet you,
Nice
Mur.
to meet you too. Have a great time
I
here.
will.
See you. Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye.
You guys have fun.